Taken there by Streit. It's like having three forwards on the ice with Streit out there. Here's Rust carrying the puck, driving to the net. He cuts to the goal. Cullen there, and
it's got to be
is it in?
Is it not? How did it not get across the line? Everybody's standing. Halak spun around with the puck between his legs. And we're going to have to go upstairs for this one, folks. Did it ever cross the line? Will we ever be able to see it?
Well, no one raised their sticks.
I don't know.
And the referee did not point to the back of the net.
Let's take a look. As Russ goes to the net, Halak's on the goal line. Where is that puck? It's between his legs and he spins around with that left pad. You could see it for a second, only for a brief second on that last view. What do you see here? Goes between his legs. He's right on the goal line. I still haven't got a look. They're looking in the penalty box right now. You know it's somewhere there. Do you guys see it drop down? Let's freeze it there. Not across the line yet, guys. It looks like it's on the goal line there. And then his left leg's gonna come across. And I can't see or not if that puck is all the way across. A few years ago, they changed that netting so you could see the puck better with a camera. It's finer threading, if you will, on that net, Staggy, to try to give you a better look. And let's see if you can see anything here. There's the puck on the line. Boy, there's nothing I could see. It's between his pads, right on the goal line. The question is it all the way over?
It's rolling, Bob. It's on edge.
I know, and then he knows it's there, so he gets himself parallel to the goal line with his legs and his pads.
Yep, and he keeps it out of there.
Oh boy!
And what an amazing!
Wow, no goal is a. They took a look as we did here.
Cullen's got it. Cullen drops it back. Schultz shooting, and it's off the net and up into the netting. I'm not sure what it hit.
Hit the knob of Halak. He's looking at it right now. Can you believe it? Schultz had him beat, except for that big blob of tape on the top of the stick of Halak.
I can't believe
Sidney Crosby turned the puck over. It was incredible work on the fork check, and then Schultz measures up Halak, and Halak somehow, some way gets that white tape on the top of the stick over the blocker on this shot.
That's amazing.
Look at that.
Cheers.
Look at that, right at the top. He's going right in the top shelf.
I'm surprised he didn't take that knob right off the stick.